What's up guys, today we're diving into some of the absolute, smartest and most epic kitchen finds that'll totally upgrade your cooking game, from space-saving gadgets to clever time savers. These kitchen picks are perfect for anyone who loves making life easier in the kitchen. As usual, links to all the products are in the description below, so you can grab your favorites. This is an expandable pan organizer that keeps your cookware neatly stored with 10 adjustable dividers. It can accommodate pots, pans, and lids of various sizes. The U-shaped grooves provide secure support for lids, keeping them steady and in place. Its versatile design allows 2 DIY setups as a single extended organizer or 2 separate pieces. This is a silicone ice stick tray that makes narrow ice sticks great for water bottles. Each tray creates 10 stick-shaped cubes that easily fit into standard bottle openings. The BPA-free silicone design allows the ice to freeze quickly and makes removal simple. You can pop out just the amount you need without hassle. This is an electric mason jar sealer that simplifies food preservation. It automatically seals jars in seconds, making it easy to store salads, canned goods, and fermented foods compatible with both wide mouth and regular mouth lids. It comes with an adapter for added convenience. The fully automatic operation stops on its own once the air is removed. This is a drawer utensil holder that helps organize your kitchen space. It features expandable panels, making it easy to fit various drawer sizes while storing more cutlery and utensils with 8 compartments. It's simple to sort and find your silverware. The edge design makes it easy to move, and cleaning is just a quick rinse away. This is a Lazy Susan turntable that makes organizing simple and smooth. It has a soft, non-slip edge for easy spinning and a sturdy base that stays steady without bumping into nearby items. The deep ledge keeps everything securely in place as it turns. Non-slip rubber feet protect your surfaces while keeping the turntable stable. This wine bottle stopper port combines 2 functions in one tool. Simply twist the knob to pour a glass of wine, then twist again to seal the bottle with an airtight silicone stopper. It keeps your wine fresh and prevents drips, making pouring clean and easy. This is an adjustable measuring spoon that lets you easily slide the handle to adjust the volume. The clear measurement indicators make it simple to read whether you're measuring wet or dry ingredients. It can measure from 1 ml to 15 ml or from 1/4 teaspoon to 1 tablespoon. Plus, the spoon is easy to clean as it dismantled and is dishwasher safe. If you want to speed up your morning, check this dual breakfast station that helps you prepare a full morning meal in one place. It features 2 griddle compartments for cooking different items like eggs and pancakes. At the same time, the added bread drawer lets you toast, while everything else cooks. With a built-in timer and a glass lid for checking progress, it keeps things convenient. This cold brew coffee maker brews 4 servings of smooth, less acidic coffee using any type of coffee grounds. Its fine mesh filter ensures that no grounds make it into your brew. Unlike other coffee machines, the compact design fits easily in most refrigerator doors, making it convenient for storage. This is a silicone utensil rest that helps keep your kitchen clean by catching oil and sauce drips with its raised edges. It features 4 slots, offering plenty of space to keep your cooking utensils organized while you work. Heat-resistant and made from food-grade silicone, it's safe to use near the stove and easy to clean with its non-slip base. This is a magnetic spice rack that attaches easily to your refrigerator for convenient storage. Its compact design saves counterpart while keeping spices organized and within reach. Made from durable plastic with strong magnets, it stays securely in place on metal surfaces. Each rack can hold up to 12 spice jars, making it great for kitchens with limited storage options. This is a garlic press that allows you to crush and mince unpeeled garlic cloves with ease. Its ergonomic handle requires minimal effort, keeping your hands and wrists comfortable while you work. The design keeps the garlic peels inside the chamber, preventing odor and mess. Cleaning is simple, just rinse it underwater or pop it in the dishwasher. This is a corn stripper that makes removing kernels from the cob quick and safe. The kernels are contained inside the cylinder as they're stripped, preventing messes. It keeps your kitchen neat by stopping kernels from escaping and corn juice from splattering. Easy to use, simply turn the base clockwise to remove for cleaning. This potato rice effortlessly creates smooth, fluffy mashed potatoes and other pure vegetables. The large capacity basket and finely perforated holes allow for quick and efficient racing, while the long ergonomic handles provide comfortable leverage made from durable Rust Pro materials. This river is dishwasher, safe for easy cleaning. Expand your culinary repertoire beyond mashed potatoes and explore a world of reed and pureed vegetables, including homemade baby food. This is a condiment organizer that helps keep your coffee station neat and tidy with 10 compartments of varying sizes. It offers plenty of space for storing paper cups, coffee pods, tea bags, straws, spoons, stirrers, napkins, sugars and creamers. Its sleek design makes it a versatile addition to kitchens, office break rooms, hotel lobbies, or any space where organization is key. This is a stand mixer that combines two functions in one appliance, saving space in your kitchen. It comes with a 4-quart stainless steel bowl and 5 attachments including boaters, dough hooks, and a whisk-all dishwasher. Safe for easy cleaning. The 290-watt motor handles everything from mixing batter to kneading dough with ease. Its shift and stir lever moves the bowl side to side, ensuring even mixing. This is a Splatter Guard designed for frying pans to keep your cooking area mess-free. It lets you add ingredients or water without lifting the lid, preventing heat loss while avoiding splashes made of silicone. It's easy to clean with just soapy water and is dishwasher safe. The foldable design saves space in your kitchen and ensures easy storage. This salad spinner quickly and efficiently dries your salad greens. The push-button operation and foldable handle make it easy to use in store. The transparent design allows you to monitor the drying process. The large capacity is perfect for families enjoy fresh and crisp salads with this convenient salad spinner. This is a burger holder that simplifies enjoying burgers without the need for foil or disposable trays. It's adjustable, making it suitable for various burger types like simple double veggie or turkey patties. Great for BBS. It helps keep things mess-free, making it ideal for all ages and preferences. This rice dispenser keeps your rice fresh, organized, and easily accessible. The large capacity container holds up to 25 pounds of rice while the airtight seal prevents moisture and pests. The convenient push-button dispenser and included measuring cups. Simplified proportioning. Keep your pantry tidy and your rice ready to cook.